I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for coming in and meeting with my patient consultant, Brooke Laundry. To give you a little bit of history, Brooke and I have known each other for over 20 years. And when you work together and do as many consultations as we've done together, you begin to start to think and act alike. And I think that that's the case with Brooke. She's really my soulmate in this practice. And I hope that you got a bit out of your image enhancement session. I think she's a very talented person that way, and has a great eye, and I think that together we make a great team. I look forward to meeting you during your consultation with me. That's an opportunity where I look at things a little more closely. I may fine-tune things. It may be a confirmation of what Brooke has told you. But many times there's just some little minor tweaks that I make to your rhinoplasty consultation or your facelift consultation that add my aesthetic touch and my view of what should happen. My goal is always to provide you with a natural result, and I think that I hope that when I meet you that we can answer all your questions and meet all your expectations. I so look forward to meeting you. Again, thank you for having confidence in our practice.